Okay, in this video we're going to take a look at Excel's text-to-column feature. And what that allows you to do is take your data and parse it out or separate it into different columns. So in this example, what we have is in each cell there's a list, a comma-separated list of a person's name, their last name, their gender, job description, and the city. And what we want to do is take each of those items and place them in a separate cell. So we're going to use the text to column feature. So first, highlight the data that you want to separate out. Go up to the Data tab and click the Text to Column button under the Data Tools section. Now in our example, we're going to choose the delimited option because our data is separated out by a comma. Click the Next button, and here in the delimiters area we're going to make sure that the comma option is selected and that everything else is unselected. When you select the comma option, you'll notice that the data preview should separate out each item. So when you're happy with that, click the Next button. Now if you don't change anything here, what's going to happen is you're going to overwrite the data that you have. So we're going to go here and change the destination cell, and then we're going to click Finish. And what happens is, if you just expand those, you'll see that each item now is in a separate cell for all our data.